How to make a cool fashion film. Chapter 1. The Confidence. Beauty may be in the eye of the beholder, but there's nothing more beautiful than a confident character. Take a confident girl, for instance, and film her at her very best. Chapter 2. The Language. There's something sensual about the French language.
Est-ce que je peux avoir des frites avec mon sandwich, s'il vous plaît?
A certain je ne sais quoi that makes it to be the sexiest language in the world.
Aujourd'hui, il y a du soleil.
Chapter 3. The Nature. For sure, we're all driven by nature easily. A stunning girl gazing around nature is aesthetically pleasing for the audience. She enjoys nature for like 5 minutes. Well, that's something. Chapter 4. The Tune. A good soundtrack gives personality to the film. The choice of a good tune is a vital element. Choose one that makes the audience groove. Here we go.
Et c'est fini.